Hello. Sit my head down. What's going on with y'all? Man, they got me stressed out up in here. Whew. Hey, pass me one of them beers. Oh, I needed that. Ain't nothing like a cold beer. Whew. What kind of beer this is? Miller Lite?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What is the application?
Huh?
What is the application?
I'm a businessman.
What?
My application, I'm a businessman.
What is the name of your business?
The name of my business? The name of my business name, you mind your own business.
Let me see how what this now. I mean, I really eat from people. I mean, lick it. Think like a 10-day cabbage water. The meat still raw. Look how the junk of them slice up your egg. I mean, like my egg whole. See one next piece of meat. And the meat don't brown. No seasoning it no half. Sit my stomach. I mean, not that hungry no comedy. This smell touch. Thing with that. Did eat before me come? The broccoli I grieve me spirit. With the banana and the food cold like a alright, I guess if I can't eat since. No, honest to God. I this a lick and promise plate of food and you really can't come give me. Fling with that. A who nagi sauce of cabbage me look like rabbit too, no? Watch it, watch it. Not one striking banana. Sorry. This is cheap on the name but I come. Give thanks anyhow.
Don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Hello.
Oh no!
Don't do someone's side.
Oh,